Encountering Last USB Device Malfunctioned error, I'll share a fix to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solution to keep your USB devices working smoothly. Click the search icon from the taskbar, type Device Manager, and click on the app from the results. Select the Universal Serial Bus Controller section to expand it, right-click the first controller, and select Update Driver. Now choose the first option. Search automatically for drivers. If the system finds a new driver, it will install it. If you already have the latest one, you can click on the Search for Updated Drivers on Windows Update. That will bring you to the Windows Update menu. Click on Advanced Options. Now select Optional Updates. If you find any updates related to drivers, select and install them. Click the Search icon on the taskbar, type Control Panel, and select the app from the results. Choose Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings for your power plan. Now select Change Advanced Power Settings. Next, click on the USB settings, extend the USB Selective Suspend settings, and change its value to Disabled. Click on the search icon on the taskbar, type Device Manager, and click on the app from the results. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Then look if any of the drivers have a yellow question mark symbol. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Restart your PC and the system will automatically install the driver. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal, Admin. Type or paste the following command and press Enter to run it. This will start the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter, so hit Next. The system will find any possible problems with your hardware, and if it does, click on Apply this fix. You will be prompted to restart your device.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, hit like and subscribe for more content.